That's too funny. They're trying to steal it.
That's fun. That is it's worth it. I'll give him my food for this.
He's actually trying to get into it.
Hey, that's your food.
That is too funny.
Here, I'll get it. You want a green bean? It's too funny. They're not scared at all, huh? Come here.
That's funny. Oh. That's too funny.
He's just separating it. How funny.
That's the one that I told you came out and sat in front of me a while ago.
Sitting over there in front of me on the post.
They're very vocal.
Look at this one.
I think you made some new friends.
I know, they might be going home with her, huh?
Look at that.
Every time he tweets, his butt goes up.
They're so pretty.
Okay.
You see that toucan over there?
Yes. So funny.
He's like, I found more food.
Oh, look at the birds. Right on the carriage. Wow.
They're posing for pictures.